gawas kaniya. And rihida na may rekupra banda. I am sent to set the captive free. Come, you can go now. Come out from his mouth. In Jesus' mighty name. Gawas. Tanan. Tanong question, tanong substance, aning lawasa. Come out. Come on. Come on. You can go.
By the power and authority of Jesus, thank you. I command the blessing of the Lord each one of you right now. The water in Jesus' mighty name.
By the power and authority of Jesus. Gawas ka. Ha? Dili ka pwede magpabili na niya. Alagad ko sa Ginoo. Question ako, nakabalo ka sa imong gipasulti ganiha, kabantay ka sa imong gibuhat ganiha? Aware ka? Dili aware? Ang gibuhat mo ganiha, mga nga ka, gayaw-yaw,